Gucci with Peak Housing Solutions, and I'm here with James.
Yes.
And gosh, when did we meet?
2.5, almost 3 years ago.
Three years ago this fall.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, it was. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
It's 2.5 years I've been in the house. So 3 years ago.
Yeah. So you made a call to us.
Yeah.
Looking for a home.
Yes.
Right. So we got together and had a conversation.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was the situation that you were in when you first called us?
Well, I live in British Columbia, but I spend probably 6 or so months a year out here in Alberta working, and I was living in hotels, and I'd done that for several years, and I just finally got sick and tired of living in a hotel. I wanted somewhere that I could kind of put roots down, and instead of having to pack up from the hotel at the end of each year and take it all home, I could actually leave the stuff here and come back in the winter time, and so it just made sense to have a house rather than living in a hotel.
Right, exactly. And qualification is wanting to try to work it through your business, so we have a little bit of time, and that's what we...
Yeah, we just had to show that the business was viable and that there was monies being made, and so we've let 2.5 years go by, and everything has worked out just first class.
Right, and what most impressed you about working with us?
The ease, the simplicity. I mean, everything just was so simple to do.
Yeah, I think we were pretty upfront with
this
is how we do it.
I think we were both upfront in what your expectations were, what my expectations were. They've all been met.
Yeah.
And this has worked just perfectly.
Right. Yeah, and you worked with our broker, and that's worked out okay, and we've got that all ironed out and stuff. So as a result of working with us, possession is July
31st.
Yes. July 31st, you're taking possession, and
official possession.
Official.
I've had unofficial possession for a while now.
You have and stuff. So, anyways, congratulations.
Thanks very much indeed.
Yes,
it's been a pleasure.
Yeah,
it really has.
Absolutely.